The Trojan War, a conflict of destiny and deception. In the age of gods and mortals, when the city of Troy stood proud and the heroes of Greece sought glory, a conflict arose that would echo through the annals of history, the Trojan War. It was a war born of destiny, fueled by deception, and destined to become a legend. The seeds of this great war were sown by the gods themselves. Eris, the goddess of strife, cast a golden apple into the midst of the divine assembly. Upon the apple, a single word was inscribed, "For the fairest." 3 goddesses, Hera, Athena, and Aphrodite, claimed the apple, each believing herself the fairest. To resolve the dispute, Zeus, the king of the gods, turned to the mortal Paris of Troy. Paris, a prince known for his charm, was entrusted with the task of choosing the fairest among the goddesses. Each goddess offered him a bribe. Hera promised power, Athena offered wisdom, and Aphrodite, the goddess of love, pledged the most beautiful mortal woman as his bride, Helen of Sparta. Paris chose Aphrodite, and thus began the epic tragedy that would befall Troy. Helen, the most beautiful woman in the world, was already married to Menelaus, the king of Sparta. Paris's abduction of Helen ignited a conflict of epic proportions, drawing heroes and armies from all corners of Greece to the shores of Troy. For 10 long years, the Greeks laid siege to Troy's formidable walls, while the Trojans valiantly defended their city. The battlefield witnessed the valor of heroes such as Achilles, the might of Hector, and the cunning of Odysseus. It was a war of epic battles, divine interventions, and tragic losses. The gods themselves took sides in this mortal conflict. Hera and Athena, still nursing their grudge over the apple, favored the Greeks, while Aphrodite protected Paris and the Trojans. Zeus, caught in the middle, watched with a mixture of amusement and concern. The turning point came with the fateful deception of the Trojan horse. Odysseus, renowned for his cunning, devised a plan to infiltrate Troy's impenetrable walls. The Greeks built a colossal wooden horse as a supposed offering to the gods and left it at the gates of Troy, while they secretly concealed their finest warriors within. The Trojans, believing the horse to be a divine gift, brought it into their city, unaware of the peril hidden within. That night, as Troy slept, the Greek warriors emerged from the horse, opened the city gates, and allowed the Greek army to enter. The city was sacked, and Troy fell in flames. The Trojan War came to a close, leaving Troy in ruins and its heroes dead or scattered. The gods, too, had played their part, manipulating mortals like pawns on a divine chessboard. The destiny of Troy and its fall had been foretold, and the war had been the catalyst for its fulfillment. The tale of the Trojan War has resonated through the ages as a testament to the consequences of pride, passion, and the relentless pursuit of destiny. It remains a timeless saga of heroes and gods, of love and betrayal, and of a city that stood proud until its final fiery moments. The end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Teddy's Best Story Time. See you next time.